Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Making Home with Megan. Today I will be showing you how to make my creamy potato soup. This is a great recipe for a chilly fall night or just when you're needing some comfort food. It's very hearty and a family favorite. To get started, you will need either a bag of baby gold potatoes or 4 full-size gold potatoes. You will also need 1 carton of chicken broth. I'm choosing to use bone broth for extra nutrients. You will need 6 to 8 slices of bacon, 2 small onions or 1 large, about 2 stalks of celery, you can use more if you like celery a lot, 2/3 a cup of heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of salt and garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, which equals out to be about 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. To get started, you're going to put your bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven and cook it up until it is fully cooked, and then you'll be removing it to a separate bowl, leaving the grease in the pot. While it's cooking, I chopped up my onions and my celery, and I went ahead and cut off my 2 tablespoons of butter. I went ahead and removed my bacon and left the grease in the pot and added all of my vegetables as well as my seasoning. I'm going to cook this until my onions are translucent and my celery is soft. Your house is going to be smelling amazing at this point. While this is cooking away, I am going to chop up my potatoes because they're going to be what's up next in this pot. Over here, I've got my gold potatoes all ready to go in. Try to cut them into about the same sizes of cubes, that way they cook evenly. I've added in my potatoes, my heavy whipping cream, and my chicken bone broth to the pot. I'm going to be bringing it up to a boil and then letting it simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. This usually takes between 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, my potatoes are fork tender. I went ahead and I've smashed some of them up with a spoon. Depending on the consistency you like of your potato soup, you can either smash your potatoes up a little with the back of a spoon for a chunkier soup, or you could even remove some and blend it. Here is my bowl of soup. I decided to top mine off with my shredded cheese. Once the soup was done cooking, I added back in that bacon. This is a delicious recipe and I really hope you try it. Thanks for watching.